Dear listeners, today we are going to listen a very useful and interesting story. Before starting the video, I request you please subscribe my channel for more valuable content. I will provide you more useful videos. So now let's start. Our topic is that how to overcome overthinking. So here is the story for you. In a quiet town nestled between the mountains lived a boy named Arjun. He was bright, kind hearted, and full of potential. But there was one thing that held him back: overthinking. Every time he had to make a decision, small or big, his mind would spiral. What if I fail? What if they laugh at me? What if I am not good enough? Because of this, he never participated in competitions, never raised his hand in class, and never spoke about his dream. The fear of what ifs chained him. One day, Arjun saw an old man sitting under a tree by the lake, silently throwing stones into the water. Curious, Arjun asked, "What do you sit here every day throwing stones?" The old man smiled and said, "Each stone I throw is a thought I no longer need. I watch it sink and it gives me peace." Arjun laughed softly. "I wish it were that easy. My mind never stops thinking." The old man's eyes twinkled. "Let me tell you a story. There was once a young eagle raised among chickens. Every day he looked up at the sky and wondered if he could fly. But his mind was filled with fear. What if I fall? What if I am not like the others? One day a strong wind came and lifted him slightly off the ground. At first he panicked, but then he let go. He spread his wings, trusted the wind, and soared with the very first time. The old man looked at Arjun and said, "Your mind is like a noisy room, but your heart is like the sky open free and powerful. Stop listening to every noise. Start listening to your inner strength." Those words sank deep into Arjun's heart. That night, Arjun sat quietly, holding a small stone. He whispered his biggest fear into it and threw it into the lake. The next day, he took me first a small step towards his dream. He enrolled in a public speaking competition. Was he still nervous? Yes. Did the overthinking go away instantly? No. But every time doubt knocked, he remembered the eagle and the wind. Moral of the story: overthinking doesn't go away overnight, but action is the antidote. Don't let your what ifs stop you from flying. Throw your doubts into the lake, spread your wings, trust the wind, and soar. I hope you like this video. Thank you for